Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of August in the year 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.8. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of nearly 30%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 3.3% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a wide and downward trend in the short term, which typically presents a promising buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $18.59 is breached, it will indicate a more significant decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately -15.74% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -23.47% to +36.15%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of -17.65% over the next year, with a possible return between -24.22% and +80.7%. This equates to a price range between $15.51 and $36.86 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, "Strong day for Intel stock price on Tuesday, rising by 5.73% to $20.47. The Intel stock price increased by 5.73% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024. The price rose from $19.36 to $20.47. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.19%, reaching a low of $19.47 and a high of $20.48. The stock has seen a decline in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 32.06% during this period. Notably, volume surged on the last day alongside the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 23 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a cumulative total of 77 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.57 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.84. Currently, the price sits 60.08%, or $30.81, below the 52-week high, and 70.46%, or $48.82, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020, when the stock reached $69.29. Intel has recently made headlines by selling its approximately 1,180,000 shares in British chip designer ARM Holdings. This decision follows a significant rally for ARM's stock earlier this year, indicating that Intel is strategically reallocating its resources. The immediate impact on Intel's stock price may stem from investors interpreting this sale as a sign of confidence in Intel's own strategic focuses rather than a lack of faith in ARM. In another development, Intel is facing legal challenges as a Jewish former employee has filed a lawsuit claiming he was fired due to complaints regarding anti-Semitism within the company. Such allegations can raise concerns about corporate culture and management practices, potentially leading to negative sentiment among investors and affecting the stock price, particularly in the short term. Additionally, Intel is reportedly planning to cut 15% of its workforce as part of its turnaround strategy. This move, aimed at reducing operational costs and boosting efficiency, mirrors strategies seen at high-profile companies like Tesla. Successful implementation could lead to improved financial performance and bolster investor confidence, influencing long-term stock price appreciation. As Intel balances these strategic changes with legal challenges, short-term volatility may occur, but effective restructuring measures could position the company for stronger growth in the future. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned INTC a neutral grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Macquarie provided INTC with an outperform grade and also recommended a hold action. Additionally, on that day, Goldman Sachs rated INTC with a buy grade while suggesting a hold action. RBC Capital, in their report on the 5th of August 2024, gave INTC a sector perform grade and issued a downgrade action. Finally, BMO Capital assigned INTC a market perform grade with a recommendation to hold on the same date. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also deemed buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by approximately 7.79%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, marking this as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. The Intel stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This divergence, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, contributes to a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $29.49. On the downside, support can be expected from the short-term average at $19.85. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce a sell signal, thus strengthening the overall bearish outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 95 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 103 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $20.11, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is likely to experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.01 between its highest and lowest points, equating to a percentage change of 5.19%. For the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 5.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts are estimating a loss of 2 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.49. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $20.11. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted another insider purchase of 7,500 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, Zinsner David made an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, Zinsner David also conducted an insider sale of 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.034. In total, insiders purchased 453,394 shares and sold 439,116 shares in these last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Intel stock a good buy? Currently, Intel exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the days or weeks ahead. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of August, we anticipate Intel will open down 33 cents, starting at $20.14. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.